Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a slime pet peeves at my cousin's house, Carrie, in person. Okay. So we're going to do some slime pet peeves. Carrie, do you have one? Alright, so first one, Pokemon One Finger. Next one, we are going to
make a bubble.
No. We are going to be poking the ground.
This is not stretchy.
Next, like hitting the slime.
You want me to record you?
No.
Okay then.
Next is when they have a different slime on their hand and they're still playing with one slime. And do nothing. So, yeah. So, hey guys, like, it's fine. I just made another slime, which is a little messy, but that's okay. Oh, my bad.
This YouTube video is going to be so
Alright, so the next pet peeve is... No, get away. When they don't even open the container
and they're poking it.
and they just talk about it. So here's my orange slime. As you can see, it has some sparkles in it. This is called pumpkin spice. So let's open it. So you can see, I'm just going to do one poke though. See, that's all I'm going to do with this one. So on to the next one, yeah. Ouch! Next slime pet peeve, when your animals are in the way.
Which is one. Go show them. Oh, she's pooping.
So we gotta wait a
Say
minute.
that in the YouTube channel.
The cat's pooping.
Okay, it's a YouTube channel. It's gonna go all over. Everyone's gonna watch and you're gonna say it.
Everyone's pooping.
This is a very stretchy slime. What is this called, Brooke?
That is called watermelon lime.
Yeah.
Doesn't even look like watermelon lime though.
I'm pretty sure it's snow.
No. We didn't. So here's the bad thing. We don't have no snow slimes.
Yeah, we do.
No, we don't. Foam beads aren't making snow slime.
Well, we should.
Are you done pooping?
I don't think so. Oh, you think she's pooping? Get out. Stop.
So this is
Get
the
away.
slime. You're not my YouTube video. You're not supposed to be in it. All right.
She's out.
All right.
Okay, so this is the slime.
Stop, Kayla. What's that? I know. Can you get her out for me? So we're gonna do the next one while my cousin gets her out. So when they literally, it's not butter slime and they act like it's butter slime. All right, guys. So this is the best butter slime ever. See, it's like really good. Do you see? Like it's not stretchy at all. Like it's so stretchy because it's butter. All right. So.
This is the.
Can I have her?
Yes, you
Thank you.
can.
So this is the cat we're using. Her name is Bella. So next pet peeve is when your animals are in the way. So guys, it's okay. My cat's just in the way. Oh.
It's not hard.
See,
it's my
this is-
sister's.
This is my cat.
It's my sister's.
It's fine if she's in the way. So, alright. Come on, Bella. So that's all I have for you today. Make sure to like and subscribe. And stop kicking me in the butt. And don't forget to comment Notification Squad or be in the Brick Squad so you can get a notification shout out.